Your tickets are racing toward an SLA breach right now, and Zendesk won't alert you until it's already too late. In this video, we'll show you how to build escalation automations that fire before the clock runs out. Here's the frustrating truth. Zendesk cannot natively trigger an automation based on minutes until SLA breach. The only SLA time condition available is hours since last SLA breach, which fires after the damage is already done. To escalate proactively, you need a workaround. Before building anything, confirm your plan. SLA policies require Suite Professional at $115 per agent per month, while Group SLAs need Enterprise at $169. You'll also need admin access to create business rules and a documented escalation matrix showing who gets notified for which ticket types. The most reliable native workaround uses 3 pieces working together: a time-based automation that moves at-risk tickets into a dedicated escalation group, and a trigger that fires notifications the moment a ticket lands there. 4 steps, all inside Zendesk. Go to Admin Center, then Objects and Rules, then Business Rules, then Service Level Agreements. Create a policy and define your targets for first reply time, next reply time, and resolution time. Set different thresholds per priority level, and decide whether to track business hours or calendar hours. Go to Admin Center, then People, then Groups, and add a new group. Name it Breached SLAs or Escalations SLA Risk, then assign your senior agents or team leads. This group is what gives your automation a target and your trigger a condition to fire on. Create an automation in Admin Center under Business Rules. Set 3 conditions. Hours, since request or update is greater than your threshold, status is open, and the ticket is not already in the Breached SLAs group. The action: add the tag SLA breach host risk and change the group. This runs every hour. Now create the trigger that fires when a ticket enters the escalation group. Conditions: group change to breached SLAs, and tags contains SLA breach host risk. Actions: email the group to notify agents, post to a Slack webhook, and add an internal note explaining the escalation. Test thoroughly before rolling out. For teams that need precise control, N8N polls the Zendesk API every hour and calculates the exact SLA percentage elapsed for each open ticket. At 75% elapsed, it sends a Slack warning. At 90%, it escalates the priority to high and alerts the team. Plans start at $20 per month. If you're on Zendesk Enterprise, Group SLAs track internal accountability instead of customer-facing commitments. They measure group ownership time, how long a ticket sits with a specific team before being reassigned or resolved. Useful for IT triage, finance approvals, and engineering handoffs. SweetHawk Suite adds enhanced SLA enforcement directly inside Zendesk for $12 per agent per month. N8N gives technical teams custom logic from $20 per month. PagerDuty handles on-call escalations from $25 per user per month. Each option trades simplicity for precision in different ways. Eesel AI takes a fundamentally different approach. Instead of configuring automation workflows, you define escalation rules in plain English. Escalate billing disputes over $1,000 to finance immediately, or notify the account manager if a VIP ticket goes unread for 30 minutes. Before going live, simulate on thousands of past tickets to verify the rules work correctly. The AI handles 81% of tickets autonomously and escalates only what truly needs a human. Stop wrestling with Zendesk workarounds. Eesel AI handles escalations intelligently using your actual business context. Try it free or book a demo at eesel.ai.